Assalamu alaikum. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad. Today we are going to improve our English by reading story. So the story's name is Where Am I? Please read behind me. So see the transcript. Just go to the settings button above and then click on the captions and then click on English auto generated, and then when you play the video it will come below as text. So let's start. Where am I? I don't know. I am in a beautiful room in an old house. There's a bed, an expensive chair, and a beautiful table. I can't see anything from the window, only a green field. The sun is shining on the field. I can hear music. Why am I here? I don't know. Oh, my head is hurting. I can't open the door, and I can't open the window. I am wearing gray trousers and a shirt. I am not wearing any shoes. I am hungry. I am thirsty. There isn't any food in the room. There isn't any water in this room either. There's a pen and some paper on the table. There isn't anything written on the paper. Who am I? I can't remember. I can't remember my name. I can't remember anything. Oh, my head hurts a lot. I am very tired. I am going to sleep. It's morning. I am on a bed. I am wearing the same gray clothes. I am very hungry and very thirsty. I can hear the music again. I don't know. What's your name? I don't know. I am going to ask you again. What's your name? I can't tell you. I don't know. Where are you from? I don't know. Drink this now. No, I can't. You are going to drink it now. You understand there's a gun in his hand. I drink from the glass. The room is dark. I'm awake again. It's quiet. Outside the sun is shining. Outside the window there's food and water on the table. I'm not tired now. My head is okay. Someone's coming. The door opens slowly. It's the man in black clothes. Do you want to talk now? What about? Okay. Who are you? I don't know him. Hello. How's your head? It's okay and doesn't hurt now. Oh, good. Where am I? You don't know. Are you thirsty? Yes, I am hungry and thirsty. Drink this. He's got a glass in his hand. I drink from the glass. I am very tired again. I am going to sleep. What time is it? My head's hurting again. I am on the bed and the room is dark. I can't hear music now. I am going to turn on the light now. I can see. There's a glass on the table. I am thirsty again. I am going to drink from the glass. Sleep. I am going to sleep. Wake up. What? Oh, my head. I'm going to ask you some questions. Who are you? I don't. About okay. Who are you? Who am I? Asking the questions. No. Now what about okay? Who are you? Who am I? Asking the questions. Why are you here? You tell me. Then he hits me. He hits me across the face. Where are you going to start? Again, who are you? I can't remember. Don't hit me. But he does that. He opens the door and he goes. I hope you're reading with me. Something I can remember. I'm in a field. I'm laying under a tree. I've got some binoculars. Binoculars tha. Okay. I've got some binoculars in my hand. I'm watching a house. It's beautiful old house. Then there's a noise behind me. It's a man with a dog, a big dog. The man's holding a gun. Then the man hitting me, he's hitting me on the head with the gun. Then everything's going dark. I've got a bump on my head. Now why am I in that field? Who am I? Am I a policeman? Am I a spy? And who is the man? Is he a policeman? Is he a spy? Or is he a criminal? I don't. Who are you? Tell me. Then maybe I can remember. Very clever. I can't tell you anything. He goes out. I remember again. I'm watching the house. It's evening. I'm wearing a blue coat. There are lights in the house. The car is going to the house. It's a white Jaguar. I'm watching carefully. I can see two people. They've got a box. Then there's the noise behind me and the bump on the head. Hey, Stark. I can hear voices outside the room. Well, he's going to talk. Maybe he can't remember anything because of the bump on his head. What about the drinks? No, the drinks aren't helping us, okay? 2 days more. That's it. We haven't got any more time. How much does he know? That's the important thing. I hear a key. They're putting a key into the lock. They're turning the key. They're locking the door. They're walking away, but the key is in the lock. 2 days more, and that's and that's it. What are they going to do? I can't stay here. The key's in the lock. I've got some paper from the table. Now put the floor. Push the paper under the door. The paper's under the door. Now take the pen. Push the pen into the lock. Yes, there's the key. It's in the lock. Push the key with the pen. Yes, the key is falling from the lock. It is on the paper. No, I don't know. Pull the paper under the door. Pull it slowly and carefully, very slowly and very carefully. I am coming under the door, and there's the key. It's on the paper. I've got the key. I can open the door. It's quiet outside. I'm opening the door very quietly and carefully. As a corridor, it's empty. I'm going out. Now I am going to take the key. I'm walking along the corridor. It's a beautiful house. I can't hear the music again. The Mozart, there are a lot of doors at the end. I can see. I'm a prisoner. Here I can't get out the house. It is full of stolen paintings. Come quickly. What's your name? Come quickly. What's your name? Come quickly. This is a Brad Street. I can't then. I hear people in the corridor. I put down the phone. I can hear them outside. The locked room will open the door. Then I can find the key. Come on, I can't find it. There's another key in the kitchen. Get it right this instant. I can hear him again. He's coming with the key. He's opening the door. What, he isn't here, but the door is locked. Find him and take our gun, and this is the finish of him. Understand? Okay, I am going. I can't hear him. He's opening doors. Are the police going to come or not? He's in the next room. Then I hear them. Police cars, a lot of police cars. They're outside the house. It's the police. What do they want? Don't take the gun with you. They're going downstairs. I can hear voices. Good evening, Inspector. What can I do for you? We want to look around the house. We're looking for paintings, but there's nothing here. Nothing we can look. Then, but why a telephone? Call a telephone. Call about some paintings. Nothing we can look. We are looking for some paintings, but there's nothing here. We can look then. But why a telephone? Call a telephone call about some paintings. From we don't know. No, you don't know. Well, from the inspector, the paintings are up. Here I can show you. Follow me. It's minutes later. The man and the woman are in the police cars. Well, Eddie, this is a surprise. Eddie, who's that? My name? Eddie, come on. No, I can't remember you. I can't remember me. I can't remember my name. Eddie, what Eddie? Hampton, what are you doing here? Eddie, I can't tell him. I tell him about the field and the binoculars. I tell him about the bump on my head and the room. I tell him about the paper. He's laughing at me. Okay, I'm Eddie. Hampton, but who's Eddie? Hampton, he's laughing. Again, you know me. Am I a policeman? No, Eddie, you aren't a policeman. Then who am I? And what am I doing here? I don't know, but I can't tell you something that Eddie Hampton's a criminal, a thief, but not a big thief. Those two people are big thieves with their famous paintings. Now you're a small thief, Eddie. You steal from houses, television, radios, videos, high fives, little monkey. Sometimes you're a small, but thank you. I can see stairs. I can hear people downstairs. I can't go down. I open some doors. There are bedrooms. I open 4 or 5 doors. Then I open another door. The room is full of paintings, things and cactus. Rembrandt's, Van Gogh, or they're beautiful. They're on the floor. Millions of pounds in the room. Millions. I look at a Picasso. It's the famous stolen Picasso. 2 from the London Art Gallery. Art Gallery. Who are they? They're art thieves. But who am I? I close the door. How can I get out of this house? They have got guns. I remember one of the bedrooms. There's a telephone. I can help the police. I walk quickly along the corridor and open the door. The telephone is next to the bed. The number is on the telephone. Broad Street. I take the telephone carefully. I'm waiting. Police, fire, or ambulance police. Quickly, police. What's your number? Please don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, and share the video for more content. Thank you.